guys, so we got the E46 pulled in, obviously putting it on the lift. The plan today is to put the proper diff fluid in the E46. I kind of made a rookie mistake. This is my first E46M. I really didn't know that you couldn't use standard differential fluid. Even though it was synthetic, I used a raw and differential fluid. So before you guys start bashing me on the comments down below, I did rectify the issue. I went to the dealership and bought the proper diff fluid. And it was very, very expensive. It was about $60 a quart, and of course with my discount, it's a little bit cheaper, but still. I could have had some major problems with this, and I could have actually ruined my new differential. So we're gonna get the car pulled up on the lift, get that stuff drained out, and see if anything else is going on down underneath there, because I heard some clanking earlier today. But we'll tighten up things, make sure everything's torqued down properly, get that old diff fluid out, and we'll get the new diff fluid put back in there. So let's do it. For those of you guys wondering, we did pick up a fluid drain. This is a lifesaver when you're using the lift, and you really need to have one of these. So I'm glad we picked one of those up for when we get that guy up in the air. We'll get all the fluid out of there. They have to be on those points.
Next time when you get updates.
How ghetto the car is underneath. Probably leaks, I don't know. We'll see. But, you know, it's in the right place now. We left the differential fluid up top, so we gotta get that. Underneath the car, I hate them things, they don't come off. Let's go right there. Alright, so what size is that? That is a
1, 3, and 5.
it's a 14. So 14 is what's needed to get this drain out. So we're gonna pull the drain out here and get that thing taken out.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.
Success, boys. General rule of thumb is to make sure you can get this bottom one off before you, the top one off before you drain it, because you might not be able to drain it. You script it, you kind of screw yourself. So this one didn't really fight us because I did break it loose when the last time I installed it. So just make sure you guys make sure you can get the drain loose before you mess with the top, because it can cause problems for you later on.
Does this work? 'Cause I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause across a million seas, would you do that?
Alright, so I've been letting it drain for about 10 minutes. It's still got kind of a steady drip going on, so I'm going to let it sit for another 15-20 minutes. See if we can get most of that fluid out of there. And then we can get the pump out and pump it in there. So I'm kind of excited. This is very simple maintenance item, but actually being able to do it on the lift is just kind of a game changer. So I'm really excited that I can actually just do this simple task on the lift. Before we go any further, I want to go ahead and announce the sponsor of today's video. The sponsor of today's video is Blue Shine by a local company named MANOOS. They sent me out this tire shine for my car. I'm normally not a big fan of tire shine because I feel like when you put on your car, it doesn't last very long. When you put it in your car, it splashes up onto your clean wash job. So I just really never been a huge fan of it. But this stuff here has kind of changed my mind. I don't know if you can see the gloss on these tires here. I sprayed these tires literally 2 weeks ago. No joke. This is something that has blown my mind. And if you guys are interested in a product like this, I will leave their information down below. You can pick this up. They do ship anywhere inside the continental U.S. You can pick it up and they'll send you a case to your doorstep. So Blue Shine, guys, this stuff is awesome. And make sure you guys pick yourself up some of this. All right, so now back to the video.
For me, yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be a paradise.
Alright guys, so we got that all drained out, so we're gonna get the top drain plug off, or the fill plug off of there. And then we'll go get the pump and we'll get the new fluid in. Make sure you got in and out.
I got some shit. In, out, dog.
You only use what you know number. You know how many times you built like 1,000 times?
I have a bottle left, I'm charging
Hey, but
$331.
you wanted the E46 and 3 though?
I did. Yeah, somebody. So we finished up the differential fluid change on the E46 M3, and the car is ready to actually put down on the ground. We're going to be leaving here in a little while, but I'll show you guys something kind of cool with this E39 they're working on over there. They've got the all data scan tool. It's pretty much like the best thing you could have for a shop. They're using the ABS pump to actually bleed the system. So let me show you guys what they're working on. It's kind of cool. I know if you guys might want to see that, so let's go check it out.
I bet. Then that means that. Close. Hold on. I'm gonna check up something. Okay, bet. Open it.
That's what you guys are hearing are individual solenoids actuating, and he's working on the corresponding
Yeah.
brake on the rear.
Ready?
He's controlling it.
No, open.
Let's see.
All right, ready? Nothing? Bet. Close it.
That's why it pays to go to specialists, boys and girls, because you don't have the right tools. You end up like this poor soul here with the brake check and got the brake done and was complaining about a soft pedal because it wasn't bled properly, and the ABS has to be included in the bleeding process so you get kind of a squishy pedal. It's pretty cool. So let's go and get the car pulled down on the ground and see if we got any kind of improvement.
Leave it open. Alright. Tell me if anything comes out.
Make sure the lock is down.
It's like, regular.
Here comes up here, it's stuck.
Keep going here. Alright, deep in. Close. Alright.
More down.
Leave all this hose to grab it and bleed overnight.
So cool.
And by the morning, when you come back,
It's definitely a game changer having the lift here in the shop.
tonight, but I perfect way you can do this too is dark.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we're actually getting the car off the lift here. It was a success. This is the first one of our vehicles that we actually put on the lift and successfully did something. So now that we got that out the way, of course, this is kind of a boring kind of an installment here, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. Those of you guys that are been following along with the channel, following along on Instagram, just want to thank you guys for tuning into the video. So thank you guys for watching the new channel, guys, and of course, as always, peace out. Godspeed, guys. One more.